So
Right.
Clean Biz Network is basically, it started off as a coaching group.
Right. Okay.
And then we evolved more into more of a software company today. So you got a CRM, is a bidding calculator, proposal generator, lead generation service. Like I said, CRM. And then also we still have the coaching element there as well. We try to do our best to be everything that somebody would want to have if they were starting, growing, or trying to scale their cleaning company. I was a franchise owner for Coverall. Screwed that up. I had to get out of that. Right. I was a franchise owner for Jam Pro. That actually went well. I won franchise owner of the year, honorable mention. And then they hired me to be the operations manager for them. And once I became an employee for them, I realized, okay, their values and my values ain't quite the same. And so I said, you know what, I'm just going to leave this job. So I left the job. I quit the job, sold my cleaning company, A&A Solutions, to my brother when he came home from prison. I had to start over fresh. So I just straight up started Clean Business Network. I didn't have no bunch of cash reserves in the bank. I ain't had no job. I left the job from Jam Pro.
Right.
Went all in on Clean Business Network.
Right.